Right. So we're gonna be working on chapter 6, question 1. Question 1 says figure 6.4 shows a 3 kilogram ball tied to the end of a 50 centimeter long string, being swung in a circle in a vertical plane at constant speed. The center of the circle is height 510 centimeters. Above the floor, the ball is swung at the minimum speed necessary to make it over the top without the string going slack. If the string is released at the instant the ball is at the top of the loop, how far of the right of the center of the circle does the ball hit the ground? So the ball is being swung. All right, so the ball is being swung in a circular motion, and gets to this point. So we're gonna have to find out, see, the instant the ball is at the top of the loop, how far to the right of the center of the circle does the ball hit the ground? So it does circular motion, and then it comes loose at the top. So we need to find out how far it reaches towards the right. So we need to find a centripetal force, which is Fc equals mv squared over radius. You see, okay, so this it goes mg because of the centripetal. It's the same thing. So mg equals mv squared over radius. The masses are gonna cancel each other out. We're left with g equals v squared over radius, and we're gonna solve for v. So v squared equals g times r, which equals velocity equals square root of g over an r. So when we solve for the velocity, we're gonna have square root of 50 and then 1000 centimeters squared comes out to velocity is gonna be 223.6 centimeters squared. So this is the tangential velocity. Now we need to find, since we got the velocity now, we need to find the air time of the ball. So to do that, we're gonna use a formula y equals r plus h, which equals 510 centimeters plus 50 centimeters, which equals to 560 centimeters, equals 1/2 at squared. So again, solve for your t, which is t square root of 120 centimeters over a. So we have 120 centimeters over 1000 centimeters, which is our a, and our t is 1.06 seconds. Now we need to find, since we got our velocity and we got our y, the entire distance that it takes. Now we're gonna solve for our x direction, or in other words, the motion in the x direction, and we're gonna use the formula x equals velocity times time. So x is our velocity is 223.6, and our time is 1.06 seconds, which this comes out to 233 centimeters. So that's the answer, 233 centimeters. If we round up, we're gonna get D.